Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the exercise of O-level mathematics, New School Mathematics D3, 7th edition, Oxford Publishers, unit number 10, whose title is Arc Length, Area of Sector and Radian Measure. This is the cover page of the new syllabus Mathematics D3, Publishers Oxford 7th edition D3. Contents of this book are chapter number 1, Quadratic Equation and Functions, and now we are going to solve the chapter number 10. Chapter number 10, Arc Length, Area of Sector and Radian Measure. This is the chapter number 10 of Oxford New Syllabus Mathematics D3. The cover page of New Syllabus Mathematics D3 7th edition, according to the Shinglee Publishers, is this. The contents, according to the Shinglee Publishers, vary from the Oxford Publishers. The arrangement of chapters are different from these books. According to the Shinglee Publishers, the arc length, the chapter we are going to solve is chapter number 8, Arc Length, Area of Sector and Radian Measure. Here in the Shinglee Publishers, the arc length, area of sector and radian measure is chapter number 8. Let us solve the exercise 10a. This is the book of New Syllabus Mathematics D3 7th edition of Oxford Publishers, chapter number 10. The exercise we are going to solve is exercise 10a, which is on the page number 302 of according to the Oxford Publishers. This is the question number 1 of exercise 10a. NSM D3 stands for New School Mathematics D3 7th edition, Publishers Oxford, page number 302. Find the diameter of the circles given the following areas. Part A, 616 millimeter squares, 779 whole 5 by 8 meter square, 3850 centimeter square. Let us solve the part A. Area of the circle is 616 millimeter square, which is given. As we know that the area of the circle of radius r is equal to pi r square, this is the formula for the area of a circle whose radius is r. Here the area is given 616 millimeter square. So we write the area of the circle 616, which is equal to pi r square. Pi, we put the value of pi 3.142 multiplied by r square, which is equal to 616. Divide both sides with 3.142. That is 616 is divided by 3.142. We obtain 196. R square is equal to 196. It means the square of the radius is equal to 196. Taking square root on both sides, we obtain r is equal to square root 196, which is equal to 14 millimeter. As we know that the diameter of circle is equal to 2 radius, or we can say the diameter is the double of the radius, or we can say the radius is half of the diameter. Here we can write diameter of the circle is equal to 2r. We put the value of r, which is equal to 14, 2 times 14, which is equal to 28 millimeter. Hence the diameter of the circle is 28 millimeter, which is the answer of this problem. Now the B part of this question is, here we have to find the diameter of the circle whose area is given by. Area of the circle is equal to 779 whole 5 by 8 meter square, which is given. We have to find the diameter of the circle. First of all, we find the radius of the circle, as we know that the area of the circle of radius r is equal to pi r square. That is, a circle having the radius r, its area is equal to pi r square. Here we put the area of the circle on the left side of the equation, which is equal to pi r square, or we can write it pi r square is equal to 6237 divided by 8. Pi r square is equal to, here we put the value of pi, which is equal to 3.142 multiplied by r square is equal to, when we divide 6237 by 8, we get 779.625. So r square is equal to 779.62 divided by 3.142, which is equal to 248.13. R square is equal to 248.13. Here r square is equal to 248.13. Taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, we get r is equal to square root of 248.13, which is equal to 15.75 meter. Hence the radius of the circle is equal to 15.75 meter, and we have to find the diameter of the circle. We know that the diameter of the circle is equal to the double of the radius, which is equal to 2r, 2 multiplied by the value of radius is equal to 15.75, which is equal to 31.5 meter, which is the answer of this problem. The C part of question number 1 is, find the diameter of the circle given the following area. The area is 3850 centimeter square. As the area of the circle is equal to 3850 centimeter square, which is given, first of all we find the radius of this circle. We know that the area of the circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Here the area is equal to 3850. We put the value of area here, which is equal to pi r square. Now we put the value of pi, which is 3.142 multiplied by r square, that is the square of the radius, which is equal to 3850. R square is equal to 3850 divided by 3.142. When we divide, we obtain 1225.3. Now we take the square root on both sides and get R is equal to 35 centimeter. As we know that the diameter of the circle is equal to double of the radius, we put the value of radius here. The radius is 35, so 2 multiplied by 35, it is equal to 70 centimeter, which is the answer of question number 1, part C. Question number 2, New School Mathematics D3, 7th edition, Oxford, page number 302. Find the area of the following rings whose external and internal diameters are. The part A 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter, 1.2 meter, which is the part B, and 0.9 meter. Here are given the two rings. Let us solve the part A. This is the ring. The green color shows the ring and the blue circle shows the external circle, while the red color shows the internal circle. And we have to find the area of the green part, which is the ring. The external diameter from C to D is 15 centimeter, while the diameter of the internal circle from A to B is 13 centimeter. As we have to find the area of the green part of this figure, first of all, we find the area of the external circus, this, and then we subtract the area of the internal circle, which is shown here in the red color. Then we find the area of the green part. External diameter is 15 centimeter. External radius is equal to 15 divided by 2 centimeter. As we know, the radius is the half of the diameter. Here, this is C to D is the diameter, while the radius is from here to D. This is the radius, which is the half of the diameter. Now, area of the external circle is equal to pi r square. As we know that the area of the circle is equal to pi r square. This is the formula to find the area of the circle. Here we put the values of the pi, which is equal to 22 by 7. Here r is 15 by 2 and the square of 15 by 2 as r square. 15s are 225 divided by 2 2s are 4. When we simplify, we obtain 176.8 centimeter square. This is the area of the external circle. Internal diameter, that is the diameter of the internal circle, which was shown in the figure in the this red color. Its diameter is 13 centimeter. Now we find the area of the red circle. Internal diameter 13 centimeter, internal radius 13 by 2 centimeter. As we have already discussed that radius is the half of the diameter. Now internal area, or the area of the internal circle, is equal to pi r square. As we know, the formula for the area of circle is equal to pi r square. Here we put the values of the pi and r. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 13 by 2 whole square. 13 13s are 169, 2 2s are 4. When we simplify, we obtain the area of the internal circus 132.8 centimeters square. The area of the ring is equal to external area minus internal area. External area is 176.8 minus 132.8 is the internal area. By solving it, we find 44 centimeters square, which is the answer. Now we solve the question number 2b, 1.2 meter and 0.9 meters. 0.9 meter is the diameter of the internal circle, while the 1.2 meter is the diameter from C to D, which is the diameter of the external circle. As we have solved the question number 2a part, similarly we solve the question number 2b part. Here we will find the area of the external circle. Then we subtract the area of the internal circle, and finally we find the area of the green part, which is the ring. External diameter 1.2 meter, external radius half of the diameter, which is equal to 0.6 meter. External area pi r square. Using the formula, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Putting the values of pi and r, we get 1.131 meter square. Similarly, internal diameter, the diameter of the internal circle is equal to 0.9 meter. Internal radius, which is the half of the diameter, which is equal to 0.45 meter. Internal radius, internal area is equal to pi r square. Using the formula, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Putting the values of pi and r in the formula, we simplify, find the internal area 0.636 meter square. This is the external area and this is the internal area. Now we subtract the internal area from the external area. Area of ring is equal to external area minus internal area. External area is equal to 1.131 minus internal area 0.636, which is equal to 0.495 meter square, which is the answer. This is the area of the ring. If you are visiting my channel first time, subscribe the channel and press bell icon to receive the notification of every new video. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.